Meaning of Dulux.
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 Dulux. Dulux is a brand of paint that is known for its high quality and durability. The name Dulux is derived from the words durable and luxury, and it has become synonymous with premium paints that offer long-lasting color and protection. Dulux offers a wide range of colors and finishes to suit different tastes and design needs, and its paints are known for their ease of application and excellent coverage. With Dulux, you can achieve beautiful, long-lasting results that will enhance the look and feel of your home or commercial space.